Everybody, Mrs. Pesic here. We're looking at some of the homework problems from section 3.5. This video is about problem number 10. So it says find the missing values, and it does say assume the interest is compounded continuously. So let's see what information was given here. In this particular problem, they do say that your initial investment was $500. Okay, and then it does say that after 10 years later, you do have $1,505. We do want to use compound continuously formula like this. And if we know our initial amount is 500, I'm going to put that in for P. So times E to the, we don't know the interest rate, so I'm just going to call it R. But we do know that after, that's supposed to be a 10, after 10 years, that we will have $1,505. So at this point, we would just divide both sides by 500. We're trying to solve for R. And 1,505 divided by 500. Let's see, I'm doing this on my calculator. Divided by 500. I'm getting 3.01. So I get 3.01 equals e to the 10r, and then I need to solve for something that's up in an exponent, so I need to rewrite this from exponential form to log form. So that means I'm going to write this as log to the base what of what equals what, and so in this case I would, that's not what I wanted to do. I would, let's try this again, say log to the base e of 3.01 equals 10r. And you know log to the base e is really ln. So I get ln of, what was it, 3.01 equaling 10r. And then to solve for r, I would just need to divide both sides by 10. And so let's do that on our calculator. We're doing ln of 3.01 divided by 10. I'm going back to my calculator, and I want ln of 3.01, and got to get out of that parentheses, trying to at least, and then I want divided by 10. All right, and so in this case I get 0.1102, if you will. So in this case, our answer is going to be that the interest rate is 0.1102, or that's 11.02%. That would be our interest rate. And then they do ask for how long is it going to take for the money to double. That's kind of like part B of this problem. So how long will it take for the money to double? Well, in this case, we now know that our model could be A equals P times, actually, let me change that. I know our model should be A equals 500, because that was our initial amount, times e to the 0.1102 times t. And if we want our money to double, that means we want this amount to be 1,000, right? That would be double the 500. So I'm going to plug in 1,000 equals 500 e to the 0.1102 t. I'm going to solve for t now by dividing both sides by 500. And so I get 2 equals e to the 0.1102 t. And now I've got to solve for something that's locked up in an exponent. So I got to rewrite this in log form. So this is going to be log to the base e of 2 equaling 0.1102 t. And I'm going to solve this then. I'm going to rewrite this as ln of 2 on the left side, and then I'm going to have to divide both sides by 0.1102. And when I do that on my calculator, ln of 2, let's see, I want ln of 2, and then actually I could probably do this like this. Well, let me do that, sure will. And so then I want 0.1102, and when I do that, I'm getting 6.0 6.3 approximately. So 6.3 years is what I would say. So time to double is 6.3 years. Was that right? 6.3. Yeah, good enough. Okay, so that's number 10, and hope that you got something out of this video. Thanks for watching.